Alright, in this video I want to show you how to make your Google site or your portfolio to put your work on. If I go over here to the Google Apps and I slide down to Sites, if you don't see Sites, sometimes you got to click on More from G Suite. Okay, but here I have Sites, and we're going to start what's called a new site. You can use one of these templates if you wish. I would just use a blank for now. Okay, one of the first things you're going to want to do is put down your name, first and last, and then portfolio. Everybody needs to do this so that I know whose web page it is. Okay, that'll actually name your home page. So this here is your home page, and at some point this will be your career pathway. Okay, so you can just name your home page career pathway. Now we need 3 more pages attached. So this is a website with just one home page. If we go over to pages, and then we go down to the plus sign here at the bottom, right? We click on that, it'll say new page. And we're going to make a page called First 6 Weeks. Another page, Second 6 Weeks. And a third one. So each 6 weeks is a different grading period. And I will use this portfolio as backup to what is sent into Schoology. If you're getting let's say you got a 0 on Infinite Campus for an assignment, I can come to your portfolio and look to see if you have done it. I can give you credit that way. I can also share this with your parents in case things aren't getting done, or if I want to show it off because things are getting done. This is a great thing. This is what I pull out at conferences. And also, it's a portfolio. So if you were to continue into the engineering world, or a CADSman, or some kind of STEM program, this is a portfolio that shows what you can actually do. So there's 3 different reasons why we do this. And then we have our name. We changed our home to career pathway. We have first 6 weeks, second 6 weeks, third 6 weeks. And then the last thing we need to do is make sure that this is shared with shane.stalter@bvsd.org. Okay, and what that'll do is it'll allow me to see it when I'm looking for your website. Let's pick on Riley here. Right? I know to go to this website to look for her stuff. So that name is what I can search with. Okay? And now you can start, once you complete a project, you can take a picture of it and you can upload it to your portfolio, and then your folks, myself, future employers can see that.